Hold that. So now we're on the right side of the LS430, and the main difference between the right side and the left side is just this brake level indicator. So if you eat into your brakes too much, then it I believe will complete that circuit and your brake light will come on inside your console, and you'll notice that it's time to change your brakes. And it'll also be time to change this brake indicator. So if you wait too long, then you're going to also have to replace that. But if you're changing it frequently and checking your brakes so it doesn't get below, I believe, 25 or 20%, then you should still be good. You should be able to just replace your brake pads and just put this brake sensor back on. So I'll see if I can show you how to do that. Alright, so once you pull out your main rod, right, this one down here, take out the resistance clamp, then you should be able to see your brake sensor. You'll see a clamp surrounding it as such, and you should be able to pop that off with a little screwdriver. There you go, don't lose that. So this will come off, save that for later. Then the sensor should just slip right out as such. Okay, so last step on the right side of your brake, front and right brake pads, is putting the shims on the brake pads with the brake grease. So we'll do the outer one, then we'll do the inner one. Shim is on the outside. Last step is putting your brake sensor on as such. Should go in smoothly. Then put on the clamp, this one, and go from the inside going out. Should be able to snap it in. There you go. And it should look like this. You're all done. There you go. Put in the rod, outside going in. So first, stick the rod into the spring, then the rod through all the holes. Put the resistance clamp on. Push it in a bit. Had a little trouble seeing this. Okay, there you go. Then, lastly, put the locking pin in. And that should be it. You can move it up a bit, out of the way. And that's how you do it on the right side. LS430 2001. So final step, after you replace your wheel, lowered your car, start up your engine and pump your brake a few times to re-engage your pistons with your brake pads. Should be pretty loose the first few times, then getting tighter and tighter until you feel it, the pressure and play with your brakes fairly tight. So, FunkyMechanic, I'm out.